I tried to tell you nicely what a catch I was, but you chose to ignore me.
I was curated into Queer Zagreb by Aldax, who's a producer based in New York City. And he has a party called Pussy Faggot, which has been in Manchester and Philadelphia and New York and now Zagreb.
I never had holes, well it's all the same to me.
The record I'm making is a mixture of late 70s dance music, something like Giorgio Moroder or Sparks, but then with the lyrical content of Morrissey. So very dramatic, melodramatic, poetic lyrics.
I didn't care.
You can expect the 4 songs from my current EP and 1 new song.
Too bad. Boo-hoo.
Hello, I'm Alexander and I invite you all to come on Friday the 29th to Pussy Faggot at Queer Zagreb. Hope to see you there, lovers.